Solitaire Cash can put cash prizes directly into competitive solitaire tournaments, while Giraffe uses a point-style reward system based on playing eligible mobile games. The faster option depends on whether you mean reaching a reward or actually receiving cash. By the end, you'll know how each app pays, what can slow down a withdrawal, and which one makes more sense if your priority is getting rewarded quickly. Start with Solitaire Cash. Solitaire Cash is built around competitive solitaire games. Depending on your location and eligibility, you can enter tournaments and compete for cash prizes. The key difference is that you don't necessarily have to spend weeks accumulating points before you can potentially win a prize. Your result depends on the tournament, your performance, and whether you're playing a free or paid competition. But there's a catch. Paid tournaments can require an entry fee. That means faster potential cash doesn't automatically mean better earnings. Giraffe uses a different system. Was a different system. You download eligible games through the app, play them, and earn gems for qualifying activity. Those gems can then be exchanged for the rewards currently available in the app. This model is more predictable, but you generally need to accumulate enough rewards before you can redeem them. Your speed depends on which games are available, the current reward rates, the activity required by each offer, and how much time you spend playing. There's another difference that matters. With Solitaire Cash, the fastest path to money can involve winning a tournament. With Giraffe, the process is based on completing qualifying game activity and reaching the required redemption threshold. So which pays faster? Solitaire Cash has the faster potential path to a cash prize if you perform well in an eligible tournament. You can compete for a prize rather than spending your time building up a large points balance. Giraffe is better suited to people who prefer earning rewards gradually, without competing directly against other players. However, neither app guarantees a specific payout time for every user. Eligibility, location, tournament availability, game offers and withdrawal requirements can all affect the process. Before you start, check the current terms inside both apps. For Solitaire Cash, look at the tournament rules, entry cost, prize amount, and withdrawal requirements before entering. For Giraffe, check the current games, gem rates, redemption options, and minimum requirements before spending time on an offer. The simple verdict is Solitaire Cash for faster potential cash. Giraffe for a more gradual game reward system. If your goal is speed, compare the actual reward available today with the time and requirements needed to earn it. That gives you a better answer than comparing the apps by their advertised rewards alone. Like the video and subscribe for more reward app comparisons.